Kani ketika Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubur baman kasni, balawan rasha pi da ka Orange Nissan, lom so po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Haga kanreo terek mataw banai leber arajar arpo. Haga singi ka baar jong ka dorbar mang tingka jong ka yung dorbar tawaan ka jela. Kaban kot hadu ka arpasan terek mentahi uju banai. Haga ni ka singi, haga ni ka dorbar layatai, halor ki babon ki mat ki balawan ra. Nakalyang sensyar, kumjo nakalyang persya hayang dorbar tawaan. Haki kinta panjing pensya nakalyang persya. Haga ni ka singi nakalyang UMLA ka Mauplang Constituency uba as kisun. Ulabu jingkeli yau sembut menteri rang ba kajela uba Preston Tensong uba kami iru ya katnat Animal Husbandry and Veterinary bat ka jingkeli kalong halor ka jingsyakri jong katni katnat.
Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to state question number 1. Sir, the veterinary services delivery system in the state consists of the following: A. Veterinary hospitals, B. Veterinary dispensaries, C. Veterinary aid centers, D. Mobile veterinary dispensaries, E. Intensive cattle development project, F. Stockman center, G. State disease diagnostic laboratory, H. District disease diagnostic laboratory, I. Vigilance unit.
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, I think the reply given by the department is about the animal health care public institutions and infrastructure. But anyway, the information will help me. I will accept this. And my first supplementary question is, how many of these public animal health care public institutions and infrastructures are in existence in the state district-wise?
Sir, my reply is, as I have already said, my original reply is, we do have veterinary hospitals. Veterinary hospitals, we have 4. We do have 4. Then veterinary dispensaries, we have 114. Then veterinary aid centers, we have 49. Mobile veterinary dispensary, we have 15. ICTP, we have 2. Stockman centers, we have 58. Key village centers, we have 16. State disease diagnostic laboratory, we have 1. District disease diagnostic center laboratory, we have 6. And then vigilance unit, we have 7.
Sir, can it be placed on the table the location of these animal health care public institutions across the state, sir?
Sir, if you allow me, maybe I can read it out.
Yes.
Sir, in the veterinary hospitals, we have Shillong, Nongstoin, Juwai, and Tura. Then veterinary dispensaries, we have Shela, Khadarshonong, Dangar, Shela Bahulaganj, Maukunrew, Mausanram, Mauplang, Maurungkeneng, Penusla, Melem, Soyong, Hatmaudon, Jongsha, Nongkrem, Nongspung, Kerang, Lauba, Ishamati, Light Mausiang, Tenring, Light Lempat. These are in the East Khasil. Ribhoi district, we have Umroi, Umling, Jirang, Sonidan, Maulasnai, Patarkhma, Umden, Umsning, Bernihat, Kerdem, Nong Po, Maulandep, Maurong, and Umsning Dispensary. In West Kasil, we have Shalang, Sunapahar, Nong Cloud, Nong Stoin, Mau Shinrut, Mairang, Mau Tharashan, Rambrai, Nong Lang, Dongki Inding. Southwest Kasil, we have Mau Kerwat, Ranikor, Pansharing, Jashiar, Nongna. West Janti Hills, we have Laskin, That Mutlong, Amlarem, Yuksi, That Laskin City Veterinary Dispensary, Xiangpung, Amlarem, Namdong, Muktapur, Nongba, Boratu, Nongjingi, Waajer, Kleriat, Sutnga, Saipung, and Rambai. East Garo Hills, we have Samanda, Songsak, William Nagar, Rongjeng CD Block Veterinary Dispensary, Mansang Dispensary, Dobo, Adokri. North Garo Hills, we have Bajeng Doba, Resubelpara, Kharkuta State Dispensary, and Kharkuta CD Block Veterinary. West Garo Hills, we have Dalu, Rongram, Selsela, Rajabala, Phulbari, Tikrikila, Dadengiri, Rongsugri, Belguri, Gambekri, Babadam, and Garubada, Baitbari, Komligaon, Anchengri, Makal Konchu. Southwest Garo Hills, we have Kalaishar, Siksak, Beta Singh, Mahendraganj, Jarang, Ampati. South Garo Hills, we have Rongra, Bakmara, Shokpot, Nangal Bibra, Gasopara, Rongo Asim, Dimapara. These are their lists.
Sir, it is learned from the news media through the conceptualization of the Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department. A new directorate was launched by the government recently, and the new directorate's name is Directorate of Dairy Milk, with the sole objective to promote the state dairy milk sector. May I know from the Honorable Minister, what is the present demand of organic milk in the state, the supply from the state milk farmers, and what do you expect the new directorate proposed to boost the supply to bridge the supply gap?
Sir, yes, recently we created the directorate which is known as Dairying Directorate, headed by the director. And so we found out in the department that dairying needs to be strengthened further, and especially in 2019, we launched one mission which is known as Milk Mission, and we also received an amount of rupees 220 crores for implementation and strengthening the milk production in our state. On that basis, sir, now the manpower, of course the existing manpower is there, but on the basis that we wanted to make sure that a dedicated directorate is in place. So we have done it, sir. And now, in fact, we are almost completed in finalizing the model, and also the workshop is being conducted in the entire state, and our focus is to strengthen the cooperative societies. Like we do have here in Shillong, we call it Shillong Milk Union, and run by the private cooperative societies with the help of the Directorate Dairy. Therefore, sir, I would see that maybe the production henceforth will increase once the mission is implemented in totality, sir.
Sir, you have not tell us what is the present demand of organic milk, sir.
Sir, the requirement, the demand of milk in the state is 2 lakh metric tons, sir. And till today, the supply is only 86,000 tons, sir.
This will be your last question.
Sir, I have done only 4, sir.
Yeah, so this will be the last.
You've done 3.
3, not 4.
4 already.
No, it was an additional to my first supplementary, sir.
Okay.
Yes. Sir, effective and efficient delivery of animal health and production services is considered vital for gainful livestock development, and hence, prompt delivery of livestock services has become a subject of rising concern. Further, following the launch of Meghalaya Milk Mission, it is expected that there will be a rapid increase in demand for quality livestock services. May I therefore know from the Minister whether the existing policies and animal health care institutions are sufficient to meet the new challenges?
Sir, in fact, yes, we do have the challenges in different stages. But yes, as of now, we do all have this infrastructure and the manpower in place, as I already mentioned. But of course, we would like to further strengthen it so that the livestock mission that we do have in our state is enhanced, and even the demand, as I've said to you, the demand and the shortfall that we have is huge. So we would like to make sure that the demand and the supply is more or less in the same stage.
My last, sir. Then may I know from the Honourable Minister whether the proposal for setting up of a veterinary dispensary at Tersat, which was proposed by the Directorate last year, will be considered?
Sir, in fact, the proposal from the department we already sent to the government, so I can't say right now. Let us see, wait. Of course, we are expecting that the proposals, not only Tersat, the proposals in different places, which is very important to the veterinary sector. So let me also see that at least few important locations, if possible, the government can see that it is sanctioned.
Mr. Speaker, sir, in the course of the reply, the Minister has stated that the total requirement in the state is about 2 lakh metric tons, and the government is doing its utmost best to ensure that this quantity is met. However, milk being a liquid item, may I know the exact amount in litres rather than in metric tons?
Sir, I require notice for that.
No, kg.